If you want something that will last longer than a match, look in your office supplies. A marker might be actually what you need. Why would a marker last longer? Well, in theory, markers are using alcohol in their ink. So, if you light them on fire, the alcohol should act as a fuel, and the felt as a wick. Let's test that. Take a match or lighter and light the tip on fire. As you can see, it will start burning. Beware, however, that if the plastic starts to melt, it will smell horribly. And also beware that you won't be able to use the marker afterwards, but you will have a few minutes, maybe more, of light. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.